Okay, guys, this is part two of the garden tour. Okay, let's go back here to the back. What you got going on back here, Felicia? This is basil. This is basil. And I'm not sure what this is. It might be a volunteer. I think that's a volunteer, guys. I have to watch it. I'm not sure what that is. Okay. This right here is a pepper plant that I started from seed. I lost the tag, it looks like. Yep, it's gone. It's okay. It'll show out in a minute. Okay. This right here is a beefsteak tomato plant that I actually started from seed back in May 20th. I think that's when I planted it outside, actually. Yeah, that's when I actually planted it, but I did start this from seed. Look at it, y'all. Some more basil, purple basil. I started from seed. This right here is a plant that I brought because I've never had it before. It is Bulgarian carrot plant, hot pepper plant. And I'm excited to say it has peppers. Yay! Get it, girl. And looks like that's a pepper too. So I am going to go ahead and stake this baby up today. This right here is garlic that I started from seed. Looking pretty good. That's why I think that other garlic, I'm going to pull it up because it's down, it's dead, it looks like it's gone. The stem is not green like this. So yeah, I'm going to pull it up today, later on, harvest it. Oh, marigold, I grew from seed. Marigold, I grew from seed. These are very finicky plants, the marigolds are, at least for me. This is also a new plant to me. Anthony, I don't know how to say that, y'all, whatever. Romaine pepper plant. Be interested in trying that out. These are my chili pepper plants. Yay, look at them, y'all. All started by me from seed. And look at it. It's my first time growing these two, guys. This right here, look at it. It is my avocado plant I've had for about 2.5 years. She wasn't looking so great to me, so I bent her over and she lost all her leaves. But look at her, she's coming back. She's even getting a new branch right there. Okay, over here. I planted a lot of stuff in this little box right here, by the way. I got it at the Goodwill. It was only, I think this was $1.99. I like to get deals when I can. Yes, so this right here is a new plant to me. Hungarian cheese, sweet pepper. Very interested in trying out new things. I am definitely going to be dehydrating these, putting some away. I'm going to preserve some, things of that nature. Back there, I do have a carrot plant. You better get it, girl. You better get it. Carrots were very hard for me to grow. I'm very interested. This is the best carrot I've ever grown, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. Basil from seed. That go marigold hiding in there. There she go. I think I'm gonna pinch her in the middle so she could get bushy. What y'all think? There go another basil plant, started from seed. And another carrot plant. I think I'm gonna take my other carrots that I started and I'm gonna put them all in containers like this because they seem to like it. Yes. Okay, there's my okra. This is the Go Big brand okra that I started from seed. Very finicky plant for me. I've tried to grow okra before. I was not successful. So I'm trying it again. This is a lemon cucumber plant. Started from seed. This right here is a desert fig. Yes. A desert fig. Let's see. I planted this one on 6/1. It was not started from seed. It was brought at Lowe's. I have to do something about this. It keeps falling down. But look at it. It's sugar snap. I'll get it later. That's also a sugar snap. Doing excellent, girl. I don't know what's up with her. You know what's up with her? I think she's just so new. Guess what this is, y'all? Asparagus. Yeah. Some things I'm good at, some things I'm not. Not sure why this is not doing what it's supposed to do. But we just gonna leave it and see what happens. Papaya, y'all. Papaya is in here. Better get little papaya plants. Better go. Marigold that I started from seed. It's doing really, really well. Now, I told y'all about my other bell pepper plants, so these are the replacements that I had brought. They're doing excellent. This is the orange bell pepper plant. Back there is the green. This is the purple. It actually has a fruit vegetable. See it? This is basil that I started from seed, guys, both of these. In between, we have some garlic. That right there is the red bell pepper plant. You see that? She's starting to get her fruits or vegetables, whichever you guys prefer. This is a golden sweet pepper plant right there. Interested. Golden Summer, it's called. So, yeah. And that's another one. Well, that's doing good, guys. Look at it. That's garlic. Marigold started from seed. And this right here is a cubanelle. Never had this before either. It's also a pepper plant. Actually has a pepper. And look at that. That's another one. Strong. Looks good, girl. Get it. Okay. I'm going to end the video here, guys. I'm going to go in and make me a smoothie. Then I'll come back with part number 3. Peace. See you in a minute.